Hello and congratulations on your Walkolution 2. Welcome to our Fusion Desk step-by-step quick and easy setup guide. First of all, when you unbox, you're going to find this list of items. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right in. Here we go. First off, you're going to want to use the Walkolution tool to open the feet caps. And then we're going to get started with step number 1.
Place the round tube sleeves.
Remove the 2 original front caps from the Walkolution 2 feet.
Push the round tube sleeves from the kit
into those openings until they fully sit. Second, lay the treadmill on its side. Gently lay the treadmill on a protected surface sideways, using the included wrench to loosen the bolts, and then unscrew the feet. Step number 3.
Insert the lift columns.
Slide
Both lift columns.
treadmill can still stay lying during this procedure. Reminder, the cable must face forward. Step number 4.
Use the Allen wrench and 4 pieces of screw F to fix the 2 lift columns to the treadmill base.
Important, do not over tighten. Firm and secure with no wobble is enough. Step number 5. Reattach the original Walkolution feet. Fasten the original feet again. Make sure left and right heights are even so the unit sits level when upright. Flip the treadmill back now. Step number 6. Prepare the tabletop with
8 screw B, 8 washer H, and 2 side brackets.
Place the wooden table upside down on a soft surface as usual. Align the 2 steel rails with the screw holes on the 2 connecting brackets.
Install screw B, but let it slightly loosen.
We'll fine-tune friction later so the top can slide smoothly. Step number 7. Install the steel connection frame
With screw A and screw C.
Attach the frame between the 2 motorized legs
First, screw C goes on the shorter side,
of the motor box.
and screw A goes on the longer side.
And now, tighten firmly.
Step number 8, mount the tabletop and set the slight tension.
Align the tabletop on top of the frame and fasten the screws.
Step number 9, cable arrangement and attach the magnetic cable tray. Ensure cable arrangements are correctly aligned, as shown before installing.
The cable tray drops in under the frame and snaps on magnetically. Number 10 is all about wire and power. Plug the motorized leg cables into the label ports on the motor box. Then mount the height controller to the table edge with its screws and connect its cable. And last but not least, connect the power adapter to the motor box. Finally, to test it all, raise and lower the desk through the full range. Check the cables if they have slack. The tray holds them clear and the table slides smoothly. And there you go, that's it. That was our step-by-step
Fusion Desk setup guide for your Walkolution 2.
And if you need further help, then please do not hesitate to reach out to us and to our customer service.
Walkolution.